Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law respecting of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or of the right of the people to peaceably assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievance. Hi, can I come in and preach you my message?
No thanks. I don't want to hear your message. Sorry. You can't preach here. Sorry. Get off my property now.
Actually, by the power of the First Amendment, I can exercise my faith to whoever I'd like.
Bye. Get off.
Amendment 2. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed.
I'm Officer Webster. I need your guns.
No, Amendment 2 says I have the right to bear arms to protect my family. Amendment 3. No soldier shall in time of peace be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. Hello.
Yes, I'm a soldier with the King's Army, and I'm here to stay in your house.
You cannot stay in my house. Amendment 3 says I do not have to let you stay in my house. Amendment 4. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, particularly describing the place to be searched and persons or things to be seized. Yes.
Hi, are you Lily Webster?
Yes.
I'm Officer Nelson with the Unified Police Department. I need you to come in and search your house, please.
Where's your warrant?
I don't have a warrant.
Amendment 4 says you cannot come in and search my house without a warrant. Goodbye. Amendment 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising to land or naval forces in the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger, nor shall any persons be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any crime case to be witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot, a court of law will be appointed to you. Amendment 6. In criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoin the right to a speedy trial by impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been previously as certain by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the occasion to be confronted the assistance of counsel for his defense.
All right, Webster, we got you on this one. It's going to be the easy way or the hard way. Looks like the hard way, huh? All right, Webster. Did you steal that banana out of the potato farm or not? We're going to do this easy way or hard way. Looks like the hard way. Come on, Webster.
Amendment 5 states that I do not have to answer to an interrogation. I have the right to remain silent.
Okay, you got me on this one, Webster. But believe me, I'm going to get you. You're going to go down. We're going to the judge tomorrow, and we'll see about that. Get her out of here.
Amendment 7. In suits at common law where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States that according to the rules of the common law.
All right, call the next case.
Case number 555, State versus Lily Webster.
You again, huh? All right, looks like I think you're guilty, so you're gonna go to jail. Bailiff, take her to jail.
Amendment 7 says I shall not be put in jail because I have the right to a trial by jury.
I'm gonna get you next time.
Amendment 8. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted.
Has the jury come to a decision? Guilty. What say ye, guilty? This is the U State versus Macy Webster late for history class. You've been found guilty, therefore I punish you to serve a time of 2,500,000 years in the Utah State Prison. Any comments or questions?
Your Honor, according to the 8th Amendment of the United States Constitution, this punishment far exceeds the crime. Therefore, please reconsider. Amendment 9. The enumeration in the construction of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. Barbara!
What, Mom?
I'm going to have to tell you something you're not going to want to hear.
What?
We will be moving to New York because of a job offer I will be getting, and I'm quitting the job here.
No. Because in school we're learning about the Constitution and the Bill of Rights, and what amendment gives you the right to that? No amendment says that you can quit your job.
The 9th Amendment says that I can. So,
No, it doesn't.
sorry. Yeah, it does.
What does it say? We haven't learned about that one yet, but what is this? What does it even say? Because I don't remember that.
The 9th Amendment says that the enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be constructed to deny or disparage other retained by the people, which means that I can move to a state if I need to for a job.
Whatever. Whatever.
Pack your stuff, Barbara.
Shut up.
10. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution nor prohibited to the states are reserved to the states respectively or the people.
Utah is so much better than New York because you can drive when you're 16.
Well, because New York people drive when they're 18, it's way more safer and they have more practice.
Why are the laws different?
Because of the 10th Amendment. Don't you know that? Amendment 1 Summary. I feel protected and valued with this amendment because I have the right to exercise my religion and to be religious. Amendment 2 Summary. I like this amendment because it says that my parents have the right to bear arms to protect themselves and my family. Amendment 3 Summary. This amendment is one of my favorites because it says that no one can stay in my house without permission, which means... Amendment 4 Summary. I like this amendment because it says that no one or the police can search my house without a warrant, which makes me feel safe. Amendment 5 Summary. This is good because it says that I cannot be tried twice for the same consequence and they cannot use me as a witness against myself. Amendment 6 Summary. I like this because I have the right to a trial and an impartial jury to have a counsel for myself. Amendment 7 Summary. I like this because it gives me the right to have a trial by jury. Amendment 8 Summary. I like this because it says that no teachers or parents or the government can have cruel and unusual punishments towards anyone. Amendment 9 Summary. I like this because it says that if anyone is in need of moving for a job or under any circumstance, they can without a drawback. Amendment 10 Summary. I like Amendment 10 because it says that the states are allowed to have their own rights aside from the Bill of Rights. Amendment 5 summary. This amendment is good because Barbara!
What? Oh my gosh! Come here! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Don't say you first.
Oh wait, what am I?
Macy! Dora!
You have to show the door. Turn on the door.
Go.
Give me a gun.
No, Amendment.
Oh wait, why is it still going?
What do you want?
I'm sorry I left it out there, guys.
Lily's the worst dog owner ever.
Stop recording. Hey, you were we're
Why did I knock?
I'm addicted to these.